Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond to the chat for me, guys? Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to the chat for me. Please respond. Please respond. Okay, perfect. Yes, a very, very good morning, guys. Very, very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which are covered in our yesterday's session. Yesterday, we started discussing about result set, like different types of result set, right? Okay. What about all these chairs? All four members come and sit here. Go, come. You need fan. There. Otherwise, there. Sit. Come on. Hey, from tomorrow onwards, occupy the front benches first. Always going to the back. Now satisfied? Coming? Cold is coming? Yes? Okay. All right. So, and you also, from tomorrow onwards, first occupy the first chairs and then go back. Is that clear? Is that clear? Good. You need fan. Their fan will not be coming. Directly you should be sitting beside below the fan. Air is coming, fan is coming. Okay. All right. Okay. So yes, we started discussing about a result set. Okay. And please tell me how many types of result sets are there? Two types, and those are scrollable and non-scrollable result set. Scrollable and non-scrollable result sets. Okay. So by default, every result set will be non-scrollable. We know that, but we can make it as scrollable also. When you speak about scrollable data set, we'll be going with forward and backward directions. Basically, there are three types. Three types. Two modes are there. Two modes, not model. Two modes. Three types. Type forward only. Type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. Modes: conquer read only, conquer updatable. Yesterday, you guys have already written the notes in your, all the methods you already wrote in your notes, right? So we'll do one thing. Right now, I'll try to write the program. You should help me with your notes. Close the laptops, not required. As of now, not required. Open your notes. You need your notes actually. Once I completed my program, then you can start with your own code. And whenever you're writing your own code, I advise you to, write it by your own. Okay. So you just first try to help me with the code. That is what my intention. Anyways, all right, guys, let's start. Okay. Now, this also you'll be able to write it in your program later. Let me just try to go with JDBC Pro. What is the program number? Is it 6? 6? Okay, I'll go with 6. According to your Eclipse, you can go. Don't open your laptops as of now. class JDBC Pro, JDBC underscore Pro 6. Okay, finish. Okay, now first let me try to get all my private variables. All my private variables, like there are totally four. What are those? Drivers, URL, username, password. Just let me try to get all these. Okay, done. Private. Okay, private. After that, I want to write connect method. I want to write connect method. Could you please help me with the connect method? You try to tell me the code, I'll write the code. Go ahead. C1NECT1 connection. Connect. CONNECT connect. Okay. CONNECT connection. Okay. Now, tell me the code. CONNECT1 connection con equal to null and RETURN. Oh, sorry. Just let me. Okay. And this is connection. Okay. And here RETURN return con. All right. After that, try catch. Please try to tell me the code. Again, I'm requesting. Okay. Try CATCH catch EXEPTN exception E. Go ahead. Class dot for name driver. Okay. Driver. After that, I'm sorry. Just a sec. Just a sec. Driver. After that, driver manager dot get connection URL, username, password. What is the return type for this? Con. I mean, I already declared connection. So con, I am returning it. Just for our confirmation, system.out.println, CONNECTN connection, CREATED, connection created. Okay. Connection method done. Now, let me just try to write one more method. Void method one. Void method one. Now, inside this method, what I want to do, system.out.println, implementing PLEMENTNG, implementing OLLABL, scrollable result set. And in that scrollable result set also, there are two modes are there, na? Two modes, conquer read only and updatable. First, let us try to deal with read only. Okay, let's deal with read only. So READONLY, read only. All right, I want to deal with read only. Come on, tell me the code. Open your notes. In your notes, let us try to take the example for statement. Statement. I want to take the example for statement. I'm sorry. Con dot create statement. For example, if I write con dot create statement, create statement like this, obviously we will be getting an error. Why will be getting an error? If I remove this line from the comment, immediately I'll be getting an error. First, return type. First you need to call the connect method, Nara. We should be getting that connection reference. Without that connection reference, how will we be able to deal with the connection object? Right? Tell me the code. Let me just always start from right side of the equal to. Right side of the equal to. First, try to call connect method. Okay. I'm trying to call connect method equal to con belongs to connection. Okay, done. I got my connection. Now, wait. Let me just try to write this inside try CATCH catch exe between exception E and E dot print stack trace method. Here also read. Okay. Now tell me the code. Let us try to use statement con dot create statement, create statement, type. Okay, we need to go with type and mode. I'm not saying no for it. For example, here, please observe here. If I write a TYP type and mode, immediately we will be getting an error. Why we are getting an error? There are three types. Are you need to specify the type now? Come on, guys. You need to specify the type. Tell me what are those three types? Three types. Look in your notes. Feel free. Look in your notes. Type forward only. Type scroll insensitive. Type scroll sensitive. If we are writing type forward only, that literally does not make any sense. Why? Already every result set is by default non-scroll. It retrieves the data only in forward direction. And type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. As of now, we cannot deal with type scroll sensitive. Why? Because we don't have any domain. Na? So we are having only one option. What is that? Type scroll insensitive. Now, type scroll insensitive, those are final static variables which are present in result set. Tell me what I need to write here. Okay, of course, 10004. Okay, and mode, let's go with read only. Read only. In your notes, you already wrote it. 1007 or 8? 7 or 8? Read only. I can go like this. 1004 is for scroll insensitive. 1007 is for read only. We can go like this, or okay, wait. Just let me try to go like equal to stmt belongs to statement, statement statement. We can go like this, absolutely okay, or simply okay. Now here result set dot type scroll insensitive, result set dot type, sorry, conquer read only. Both are valid. Both are absolutely valid. I hope you are understanding me. Which one you guys are comfortable, you can go with that. No problem. Okay. Now I got my statement. Right now, if I'm using execute query, I will be able to get scrollable result set. Scrollable result set. We'll find out. Okay, continue. Tell me the remaining lines of code, please. I'm sorry. Tell me the remaining. We'll try to deal with employee table. Employee table is there? Na? Just a second. Let me try to con SOSTM system and MANAGR manager. Okay, SET set line size 200. SELECT select star from EMPLOY employee. I'm having my employee table. Now I want to retrieve all this data. Retrieve all this data. Okay, tell me. STMT dot, buddy, tell me the code. This is the reason I will say don't don't be too comfortable. Tell me STMT dot execute query. And we need to give the query na. Tell me the query, please. Okay, SELECT select star from EMPLOYE employee. Okay, go ahead. Equal to, come on, result set. RS belongs to a result set. I hope you are following me on this. Okay. Now, let us first try to retrieve all the data, completely all the data. Go ahead. Tell me the code. Only two to three people are there. Tell me na. While rs dot next system dot out dot println rs dot get string one plus rs dot get string. What is our table data first? emp id, first name, last name, salary, and okay. So plus small space plus rs dot get string. This is last name. This is id, first name, last name, salary plus rs dot get int for, and address is also there na? rs dot get string 5. Okay, all right, done. Now let me just try to go to my main method. Now inside my main method, a new jdbc pro 6 equal to obj belongs to jdbc pro 6, and after that obj dot method one. Okay, just a second. Okay, let's try to check. Right click, run as Java application, and implementing scrollable result set. And of course, I'm able to get my data, all the data which is present in my database. Up to now, this is what we had covered. We already know this. Now let's try to use the methods which you guys have already written in your notes yesterday. What is the first method you wrote? After last. Oh, after last. Okay. Let's try to use that after last method. All right. rs dot after last. Directly I'm using after last. Now just a small differentiation line, just a small line. Again, I'm trying to retrieve all this. Same line I'm writing. Just let me try to get back here like this. Okay. Guys, you need to concentrate correctly. After last, already description is there. Could you please read the description and tell me where will be our cursor? Check, please check. Take time, take time. Where will be our cursor? After the, at the last row, or after the last row? So are you saying that, for example, hang on. Let me just try to, come on. Uh, okay. Now, basically, this is the data, I guess. Just a minute, please. Okay. Let us done. Just a minute, please. Please don't mind. Just a second. What is that sound? Marriage is happening, huh? Shri Ram Navami. That no, I don't think that sound is for Shri Ram Navami. Shri Ram Navami sound only. Marriage will be done by 12 o'clock, na? For him. No, for Shri Ram Navami, Muhurtam is there. 12. Just a second. Okay. Copy. All right. So basically, whenever we are using next method, starting, whenever next method, our cursor will be here. Okay. Now my question is, if you are using after last, where will be this cursor pointing? Tell me the ID. Employee ID is there na? Are you speaking about after 105? Not at 105. After. Yes. So right now our cursor is pointing here. And I'm trying to retrieve the data. I hope you're observing what is happening here. Right now our cursor is here after the last row, and I'm trying to retrieve the data. Let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Let me save it. Please read. What is this? Exhausted result set means data is not there. Our cursor is not at the result set. Our cursor is present after the result set. I hope you're understanding the point here, guys. Respond. Last row, after the last row. So that is the reason it will be giving us an SQL exception. This, just let me try to keep it like this. Generates exhausted result set. It's basically an exception. Let me just try to, okay, no problem. All right. Let me keep this in comment. Now, tell me, next method. Hang on. Tell me, what is that? RS dot before first. Before first means where would be our cursor? Are you speaking about here? Okay. You're speaking about here. Now let us try to use exactly the same line. Let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Why? Please help me. Why we are getting like this? Sir, previously why we got that exhausted result set, right now also exactly the same. There is literally no record is pointing towards our cursor. I hope you are understanding. Okay, okay, okay. Got it. This also will be giving you exactly the same problem. Okay, let me just try to keep this in comment. All right, let's go. Please. Next one. What is it? RS dot last. Okay. Now, same code. I'm going to use the same code. Sorry. Let us see what happens. Currently, hang on. Let me remove this. Okay. Not this. My mistake. Okay. Same line of code. I'm using same line of code. Better. So, last. Where is. Could you please tell me where is our cursor? Tell me the ID. 105. So are you saying that I will be getting only one record? Come on, right click, run as Java application. I hope you are understanding this, right? Okay. Let's try to deal with the remaining also. Please tell me what is the next one. First, just let me try to go like FIRST first. So first means from here, it will be coming to 101. So let's check that. Right click, run as Java application. Got it? Come on, let's go with the next one. hang on. Let me try to copy this. And what is the method name? Previous. Okay, here I am going to write previous, previous. Now, tell me about previous method. You already wrote the description. What is happening with previous method? Please tell me. Okay, tell me one thing. What is the return type for previous method? Boolean. Return type for previous method is Boolean. What it will do, tell me. Previous method moves the cursor to the previous row in the result set. Okay. So basically, what is the use of this previous method? Iterate backward through the rows. Iterate backward. Okay. I'll do one thing. For example, right now, let me just try to remove this. Now here, I'll do one thing. rs dot after last, rs dot after last. Here, I'm going to cut while rs dot previous, rs dot previous. Now here again, I'm going to use exactly the same code here. Let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Don't make it complicated. Very, very simple. Please observe in line number 56, in line number 56, I am making my cursor going to the after the last row. Yes, means from here, my cursor will be coming to here after the last row. Okay, then coming to line number 57, while loop, rs dot previous means from here, my cursor will be coming to here. Is there any row available? Is there any row available? Then it is going to return true. It is true. Enter into the loop and I'll be trying to retrieve the data. After that, again I'm calling previous method. Means from here again it will be going to the next row. I mean previous row. You need respond, right? Row is there, record is there, then I'll be able to retrieve the data. So that all the data I'll be trying to retrieve. Last, once I retrieved my element, I mean, once I retrieved my last row, which is obviously the first row in the database. I hope you are understanding me, right? Then the cursor will be going to the next one. Now, am I having any record? No. Then previous method will return false. The loop will be getting terminated. Guys, very simple. If you want to retrieve the data in a reverse order, we need to use this approach. I hope you are getting me. Online students, if possible, please respond to me in the chat for me. Yeah, table reverse. Just simple table reverse. That's it. Okay. Good. Great. Next method. Please tell me the next method. I'm sorry. Yeah, we already use next method. We already know next method. Next one. That is important. Absolute is actually important. Tell me. Now here, hang on. Let me help you with this. Absolute. It's a parameterizer method. Parameterizer method. How many parameters? One. Type is int. How absolute method will work? Moves the cursor to the specified row. I mean, specified row. Positive numbers count from the starting. Negative numbers count from the ending. Means, for example, this is the data. These are my records which were available in my database. Okay. For example, I want to retrieve Sujata record. I want to retrieve Sujata record. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. RS dot absolute 7. And I'm trying to write that line here. Just right click, run as Java application. Am I able to get Sujata's record? Either this way, or this is basically a positive number. Na? This is a positive number. Or there is one more way. That is, instead of 7, it's a positive number. This is the record. -1, -2. Let me try to simply go with -2. Now, let's see what will be our record. Exactly the same. Positive numbers, we need to count from the starting. Negative numbers, we need to count from the ending. Depending upon our requirement, we need to use it. Is that clear? Okay. The absolute method is very, very simple. Now, tell me one thing. Right now, where is our cursor? Tell me the employee ID. Right now, our cursor is at 104. From this position, if you want to go forward or else if you want to come downwards, then we need to use relative. So basically, this relative method is also a parameterized method. Only one parameter, that is of type int. Okay, what it will do? Moves the cursor by relative number of rows from the current position. Current ongoing position. Okay, useful for moving specific number of rows forward or backward. All right, we'll do one thing. For example, here, okay, let me just try to use, I'm going to copy it, paste. I'm just going to give one positive number. I'm giving one. Right now, our cursor is at 104. You need to help me, Ra. Our cursor is at 104. Now tell me which record I am trying to retrieve, 103 or 105. Come on. 105? Are you sure? Maybe. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Instead of absolute, I need to give relative. Just relative one. Let's go. Let's go. One more time. Right click, run as Java application. I hope you are understanding how relative method and absolute method will work. Okay, tell me one thing. Right now, I want, okay, where is our cursor? Our cursor is here. Right now, I want to retrieve John Wick data by using relative method. By using relative method. By using relative method, tell me. 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I supposed to give -5 or -6? -6. 6. Too stubborn. Okay, -5. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. Which record we got? 10. What I have given? -5. Then why I got like this? Okay, we'll do one thing. From here, our cursor is there. Our cursor is there. I want to get John Wick data. Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Tell me. -4. Let's see. -4. Let's find out. Y minus 4. Y minus 4. And minus 1. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Just let's try to check few more. Um, all right, guys. Let me try to get the cursor to Raju here by using absolute. By using absolute, I want to get the cursor to here. Tell me. Absolute 4. Okay, let me just try to use this. All right, coming here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, obviously I'll be getting the record for Raju. Let me save it. Yeah, I'm getting the record for Raju. Now I want to get the record of Vedakshara by using relative. By using relative. Tell me. Are you sure? Minus 1 now. Okay, we'll see. Let me just try to get this. Last chance. Tell me what I need to give. Minus 1 or minus 2? Last chance. Minus 1 only? Okay. Our previously, hang on. Let me just try to keep it like this. Just a second. Just let me save it. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. We are getting our data like this. 109 means our cursor is present here. 109. Yes. Now I'm trying to uncomment this. Okay. Now my requirement is from here, I want to get 108 data. 108 data. So you guys told that let's use relative. Let's use relative. And in that relative, you are using minus 1. Let's go. Let's find out. What we need to go? Minus 2. Just let me try to write like this. Guys, very simple. Relative method. Relative method. Previously, I did not save the program. That is the reason we did not got the output correctly. Relative method, where is our cursor? From there, you need to count the rows. Where is our cursor? For example, right now, where is our cursor? Our cursor is at Vedakshara. Okay. Let's try to use the relative and I want to retrieve 106. I just want to retrieve 106. Means I want to retrieve Sudeep Kumar. This data I want to retrieve. Tell me. 3. 3. Online students, you need to participate in the debate. Some people are saying 3. Most of the people are saying 3. Very few people are saying 4. What do you think? 3? Are you sure? Our cursor is here. 1, 2, 3. Our cursor is at 108. Yes or no? Okay, let's see. I'm trying to use relative method and I'm using 3. I'm using 3. Yes. Previously our cursor is at 108. Right now I'm using relative method. I'm using relative method and let's try to retrieve 1, 2, 3. Sudeep, 106 data. Let's find out. Right click, run as Java application. Am I getting it? Yes or no? Previously, I did not save the program. That is the reason we did not got the data. That's what I'm trying to say. From which position are there? From which position you are there? If you want to go up, use negative numbers. If you want to come down, use positive numbers. No need to count the, current row. Clear? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond. Guys, please respond. Please respond. Online students, am I clear with this? Okay. That is good. That is good. That is good. Okay. So, shall I go with one more method right now? Or else first you will try this. What is your opinion? You tell me. First you are going to try this, or else shall I go with Conquer updatable also? No, it's completely your wish. You want to try this? After that, we'll go with updatable. Start. First try. First try. 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 No. Right. Shravan, go ahead. Feel free. Chat box is yours. You can message. First try this. Shravan, when you're speaking about absolute method, you need to start from the beginning of the table, irrespective of your cursor. Your cursor may be present at the third row, fourth row, fifth row. That literally does not matter. You need to count from the starting. If you are counting from the starting, you need to go with positive numbers. If you want counting from the backwards, then you need to go for the negative numbers. Yeah, that is good. Come on, guys. I'm going to give you time up to 12. Right now, the time is 11:52. 12:15. No, not possible. Right, 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 right. Uh, Naveen, you're asking, sir, the cursor will found the value, it will stay their actual position. Cursor is not finding the value. Cursor is changing the position. Naveen, okay? By using get methods, we are trying to retrieve the values. Yeah. Come on, go ahead. Completely create one more new program. I strongly advise you to write the code by your own. The only thing is, I just want you to try all the methods which you guys have already written in our yesterday's notes. As you already wrote those methods, today easily you are able to understand this code. Yes? Okay. Guys, tell me one thing. Did you understand today's program? Yes? Do you know the reason why you understand today's program? Because yesterday you already wrote these methods. Whenever you are writing these methods, you imagined something. Whatever you imagine in your mind, currently you're looking at it. So that is the reason I told you to write the notes yesterday. Please. One more time, I'm requesting you first try. Try the methods by your own. Can I scroll down? I just want you to check how those methods are working. That's it. It's a simple code. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. Which method you guys are doing? Absolute. Good. Previous method is done. Previous method done. After last. Yes. Okay. Please. 5 more minutes. Please compare your outputs also. Like, are you getting the output correctly or not? Whatever the output you are expecting, it should be coming. How many of you completed all the methods? All the methods. Please raise. One, two, three, four. Down. Please wait, guys. Wait for a few minutes. Yeah. Wait, guys. Online students, I'm looking at your messages. And the online students, one more time, I'm requesting if completed, please make sure to message me in the chat like it's done. Otherwise, I'll not be able to know. Okay, Pranita sir, when we use next method for the first time, then the cursor is at first row. Then it check the record present in the first row or in the second row. In the first row. And it will move to the second row if you are calling the next method for second time. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. Shall I move on with one more program? Yes. All right. Okay. Stop coding, please. Stop coding. I request you to stop coding. I gave you time. Please wait. I know, I know. Please wait. Wait, 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 wait. Close the laptops. Close, close, close. Save and close. Just save, close. Come on. Arey, why you are fighting, Ray? Close. Okay. So when you speak about result set, two modes are there. Two modes. Right now we have covered with conquer read only. Let's try to deal with conquer updatable. Okay. Yes. All right. Now I'll do one thing. Let me just try to take one more method. Void method two. Void method two. Eyes on the board, please. Void method two. Okay. Now here, just let me try to go with the implementing scrollable result set, but this is updatable. Updatable. Okay. First things first, obviously we need to get our connection object, okay, equal to con belongs to connection interface. Okay, okay. Now after that, try catch exception exception e dot print stack trace method. Okay, okay. Now my requirement is I don't want to get this all these data. I just want ID, first name, salary. I just want to get only these three rows from the database. And in these rows, I want to update the salary of Wilson to currently what is the salary? 60,000. Now I want to update the salary to 75,000. Are you understanding me? Please respond. Only the salary of Wilson, I want to update it to 75,000. Okay. Now please tell me the query to retrieve only these three. Tell me the query. SELECT, select EID, comma, EF name, comma, ESAL from EMPLOY employee. Is this query correct? Let's find out. I'm just trying to hang on. Where is it? My mistake. Okay. So just a second. I think it's not copied. SELECT select EID, comma, EF name, comma, ESAL from EMPLOY employee. Query is perfect. Now let's try to use the same query there. Okay. Now here, can you please continue? Tell me please help me with the code. Help me with the code. Con dot. Am I supposed to use exactly the same things? Where is this? Let me up to here. Oh, let me get back here. Okay. Type scroll instance to result set, conquer, updatable. If I'm not writing this, our data will not be getting updated. Okay. Now the query. What is a query we have written? Select EID, EF name, ESAL from employee. Okay, okay. We will be getting our data. Now in this data, while rs dot next, rs dot next, I'm trying to iterate. Okay. All right. Which record I want to update? 103. Guys, you need to concentrate. I want to update this record. Are you understanding me? Okay. Now, in my code, what I'll be doing, rs dot rs dot get string one equal to string id, string id. Got it? Please tell me. Guys, Korja Vara. Korja. Now tell me one thing. For the first time, what is the value of ID? Yeah, what is the value of ID? 101. I'm retrieving only my first row. Are you getting the point? For the first time, 101. Second time, 102. Third time, 103, 109, 106, 103, 104, 105. Like that. Are you understanding me? Online students, I want you to please respond. Online students, please respond. Are you understanding me? Now you tell me which row I want to update 103. And you know that this 103 is a string value. In our database table, we have taken varchar, na? Okay, then I'll do one thing. If ID, if we want to compare the contents of two strings, if we want to compare the content of two strings, how we are going to compare? Equals method is there, na? ID dot equals 103. 103 means I'm trying to deal with that row. Are you getting the point? Yes? Okay, okay. Now rs dot just let me try to go with the hang on, update int, update int. What is our data here? Our in our table, the data is like int means 4, na? 4, or else actually according to here, according to our result set, ESAL. You need to help me, Ra. Is it 4 or 3 according to the result set? I'm result set. I'm not speaking about the database. Result set. Are you understanding me? Okay. Now here I'm just trying to go with the 3. Now I want to update it as a 75,000. 75,000. Just for our confirmation, rs dot update row. We need to update that row. Got it? Okay. We'll do one thing. Whether is it working properly or not. System.out.println data updated. Okay. Data updated, I guess. Now, after this, I'll try to do one thing. Let me just try to use one more time. I'm trying to create statement one more time. This is read only. I'm trying to retrieve the data from the employee completely. And What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm updating Sudeep record only, na? No, no. 103. What is 103? Wilson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then RS2 dot absolute 6. Absolute 6. And now here, let me get back and let's try to check this. Okay, this is RS2 na? RS2, 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 RS2. Okay, statement 2. And here, this is statement 2. Okay, statement 2, execute query. I'm trying to try. All right, let's try to check this. obj dot method 2. Okay, previously, what is the data for Wilson? It is 60,000. I want to update it to 75,000. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. 3, 2, 1. Is the data updated? Let's try to check in the database. Basically, I retrieved the data from the database only, but let's try to check that one more time. SELECT select star from EMPLOYE employee, and where is set line size 200. Oh, set line size 200 and select star from employee. Is Wilson record updated? This is how we will be dealing with updating the data. So which row we want to update, we can do that. I believe you are getting the point. Come on, it's your turn right now. Go ahead. This is Conquer updatable. Please try to check with this method too. Go ahead. Satyanarayana, sir, by using SQL query also we can update. I'm not saying no, we can do that. We can do that. Happily, we can do that. But what if the user is trying to ask the data at runtime? For example, this 103 is there, na? We'll be able to ask the user at runtime na? By using scanner class. Yes. Not only this 103, this 75,000 also we can update it. So there are different ways, Satyanarayana. There are different ways. Which way you are comfortable, you can go with that. Right? I request you completely don't rely on the queries, rely on the Java code. This is purely core Java only, if you observe it correctly. Okay, Snehasi sir, why we gave 3 as the first parameter in update int? Because in our query, this is first column, this is second column, this is third column. We want to update the third column, salary. As salary is the int, we have given update int. Okay. 10 minutes. Chandra are asking, sir, at line number 101, we call method one. Uh, Not exactly, Chandra. We can call method one, but in method one, I wrote lot of lines of code. Na. So that is the reason I created one more time. In method one, if we just wrote only these two lines, then we can call, right? Yeah, yeah. I wrote lot of lines in method one. So separately I wrote. Yeah, Suresh, we can do that. Why not? Happily, we can do that. And again, if here, if you did not write conquer updatable, you will not be able to update the data. Please check this. Type and mode. In our method one, what is the mode we have written? Read only. Okay. Check that clearly, please. 5 minutes. Francis, you're saying that you got an error. How can I say by looking at the error? I need to check the code now, Francis. See, I told you, buddy. I already told you. Advanced Java, it's not like by looking at the error, will not be able to solve it. Please check line number 88 whether you are whether you have given conquer read only or conquer updatable. If you're having a trouble, okay, SNE. Please unmute Snehasis. Unmute, feel free, you can unmute. Unmute your mic. Go ahead. Let's have a conversation. Try to check the code properly, buddy. Without looking at the laptop, I will not be able to do this. And coming classes are like servlets concepts. If you are getting this here only lot of errors means servlets, you'll be having a lot of trouble. I strongly advise you to come to offline. Please check with that. All right. Okay. So, guys, starting from today, I want to show the code once. If anyone wants to take a pic, feel free to take a pic. Feel free to take a pic. Starting from today, this is the entire code. How many lines we have written? Almost 100, 120 lines of code. Okay. Starting from here, feel free to take a pic if anyone wants. Okay. Shall I scroll? Please. And this is for method 2. And finally, there's the main method. Okay. So by tomorrow, everyone should be writing this program in your laptop. It should be working. It should be working. How many of you completed this? Raise your hands. Oh, nice. You already completed. Very good. I'm impressed. And tomorrow we are going to deal with row set. Row set, not result set. Row set. Row set is like advanced version for result set. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about that row set. All right. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Snehasis, you are saying that, sir, I got error. I understand that you are getting an error. But if I want to solve it, how can I solve it without speaking with you and without looking at your code? You tell me, buddy. It's not going to work in the chat, Snehasis. Please check with the code again. Right now, I showed you the code now, right? Please check line by line, line by line, line by line. Then you will be able to find out where is your problem. Otherwise, come to offline, bring your laptop. I'll check with that. It's not like I'm not looking at your messages. It's more like you are not listening to what I'm saying. I understand you are getting an error. Try to solve it. Otherwise, come to offline. Show me your laptop, right? At least make your mic working properly. Okay. All right, guys. See you. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Yeah. Francis, you're from West Bengal. I'm not saying no for it. If you're getting a job in Hyderabad, are you going to come? Then please try to make that happen. Okay, guys. Tomorrow hackathon is there. How many of you are going? Yeah. Tomorrow class is there. Okay. Sai, don't worry about the tomorrow's code. I'll see what's the best I can do. Right? Sai Kumar? All right, guys. See you. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.